We're here at Universal City Walk today because I'd like to point out that Anniejitos is now open. Looks pretty neat. I'm not a fan of the one in Orlando, but maybe I'll give this one a shot at some point. Let's get into the park though. You know it's a hot day outside when they close the doors to the Universal store. They don't even want it to feel inviting. They just close them all. So I gotta keep that AC. All right, good day. We're here from Universal Studios Hollywood. Yay! It's Fleet Week still, so I've got to wear these whites everywhere. The next few videos, I'll probably be wearing these whites, trying to keep them clean, which is a difficult task. I only have 2 sets of these too. Okay. Yeah, we're just here to have fun at Universal. Let's get inside and see if there's anything new. Halloween Horror Nights 2019 is upon us. We want to see how the mazes are looking. They should all be done, close to at least. It is confirmed. Fire happens during the day in Hogsmeade. Of course, it's not going to do it now.
But it did.
It did. It did twice. I'd like to point out the studio tour is filling up, but they can't even fill these trains up today. There's a lot of room in these. Going by on the tram, they have built a lot. Over here on the lower lot. Looks like they added this restaurant here called Base Camp, right across from Ted. There's my favorite. Spinosaurus is having a good day. Taking a different route than normal. Oh, we might be, I think we're skipping it. Yeah. So maybe they're filming because we're going straight to Amity.
I'd like to welcome you to the Wild Wild West.
The best part in the Simpsons area is the bouncy tongue. Now that I'm thinking about it, if you go on a studio tour and you want to have a better time with the Kong and Fast and Furious thing, go in the middle car in the middle rows. Because if you're in the middle row, as opposed to the sides, it gets cut off. You'll see like the edges of the screen.
And you don't get as wet.
Yeah, and you don't get as wet too. So if you want that experience to be cool, go in the middle. If you want just to see things better though, sides. The middle car is the way to go. If you come to Waterworld right when it starts, you get to go all the way in the back corner.
Desolate children, you poor lost souls on this big floating pile of sheet metal. The provider has spoken, and he tells me personally that somebody around here knows the way to dry land. That'll be the Marin. The Marin is under the water. Shoot him. Guys, I need gunfire right now! Shoot this guy! I complimented you. Thank you. Here, take this. Pull up on that thing. Pull it up.
They're just out here doing some bonus jet ski time. Whoa. Oh. Wasn't ready for that. Critical hit. That's awesome. Really cool. Oh. Oh, he's coming back. Oh. Funny story. I don't know how it turned out on the camera, but walking away, we stayed down in the wet area. But coming down, they were doing little jet ski tricks and all that. And he was like looking right at me and just coming on.
Yeah,
and
just
just
played the mirror. He was just like eyeballing Brad so hard.
Sure.
And then twice he got him. But luckily the camera survived. Hopefully.
Yeah, well, it's recording. It looks all right.
Yeah.
But yeah, like 2 or 3 times, just completely drenched me. So that's fun. At least we can go on Jurassic World and not worry about it.
Yeah, that's true.
Yes. Whatever, that guy stinks. I'm cheering for the Deacon from now on.
Yeah.
He's the real hero. And he's funny.
Yeah.
Sarah pointed something out that I didn't notice, but you've got lights and speakers and things all on top of this building. That went over there as well. And now I'm seeing some over there. Most likely for Halloween Horror Nights. I don't know if they're year-round, though.
And the Scooby Gang are dancing around Frankenstein.
Oh, they're having a good time. Fred's running away. Where's he going?
Oh, no.
Where are you going, Fred? Oh, Phil? Oh, monster. You like it? Yeah,
It's very cool.
yeah, that's
Suits
neat.
you well. Yeah. Oh, it's a ring.
Oh, there you go.
There you go.
Looks good on you.
It's good.
Yeah. Yay. Good day. Oh. Yeah.
I
It's
know,
confusing.
they make it smaller and smaller every
Science
day,
is
yeah.
weird. Here, on the way to the lower lot, they've added this whole new hot dog stand. On the menu, they've got the American, Greek, California, and Kraut.
Why is it all like California labeled food things have like avocado on them?
Because it's California. I'm impressed because the last time I was here, probably just a few weeks ago, and that dirt lot is now one big building, it looks like. So people were speculating it was Nintendo Land. Now I'm kind of doubtful unless it's all indoors because that's a building. But what is it going to be? Watch it just be a soundstage.
Yeah.
It's not even an expansion to the park. Yeah, that'll be pretty funny. But no, they've really come a long way on whatever that is. Still no announcement as far as I know. They've got the mummy out pranking people as they come off of the mummy. Now, Jurassic World is a 90-minute wait, but Single Rider is actually closed to capacity. I've never seen it this long. It's all the way to the sign. I never really noticed this. Mummy Eats here down in the lower lot. The snack of choice for mummies is in fact the corn dog. Hello. Ah. Oh. Yeah. You can't eat it. There's no souls in here. I'm trying to figure out what this is. They've got the Starcourt Mall from Stranger Things. It can't be the house for Halloween Horror Nights because you'll see it is very small. It's just a small little, unless it goes back this way. Now curiosity has me. No, you can kind of see through the scrim. It looks like it's just equipment. Strange. Or things. It's really weird today. The Single Rider lines, it's really weird. They're super long. We walked down of Jurassic World and the Mummy. They're too long. Probably the longest I've seen them both. But the upper lot was like walk-on for everything, so it's a little odd. Little did you know, the Indoraptor has the sickest dance moves.
It's its mating dance.
Yeah. I want to point out something that I don't know if it's new, but I've never seen it. The Krusty Clump Bar. Milk chocolate, marshmallows, pretzels, and potato chips. That actually, I think it sounds good.
Yeah.
That's tempting, yeah. Look at how amazing this Kong is. With one of those, what are they called? Skull crawlers or something from the movie. Like for yours for $1,875. But look, I like how he even has the prop on the chain. And they also got like these saber-tooth type guys. They're new too. We're here at Vivo Italian Kitchen. This is our favorite place in City Walk. Well, it's mine. Is it your favorite place?
I mean, I've been here once with you, but like,
That's true.
delicious though, so I'd say it's my favorite.
That you've been to.
Yeah.
So, taking a look at the menu for future us to look at. When we're like, what do they have again and what sounds good? Yeah. I'll tell you what sounds good now. Everything. We got bread. This bread is amazing. Usually the hard outer bread is kind of like, I don't know, I'm not a fan of it usually, but this is really good. And a pro tip, you get the olive oil, you put some salt and pepper in it. Perfect. I've got salmon here with potatoes and Brussels sprouts. That's awesome because I almost wanted to get us the appetizer, but I didn't. But I get Brussels sprouts anyway. And you got the spaghetti and meatball, or should I say the meatball with a side of spaghetti?
That would be accurate.
Yeah. Here's a look of Annihitos at night. and just City Walk in general. It's kind of funny to actually see a DJ here in City Walk. I've never recalled seeing someone out here. So you know Halloween Horror Nights is coming soon because they have horror-themed donuts. But I love this right here. Jurassic World. You can get these, but you have to pre-order them. And I assume that goes for these other ones as well. I only asked about the Jurassic World one. Yeah, go ahead. We got a Memphis Mafia. I'm not entirely sure what all is on it, but it looks good. It's like almost looks like a fritter style donut, like an apple fritter. I see peanut butter, chocolate chips. I'm sure there's more, but dig in. It's pretty cool. In the comic store, they have doormats. They're only 24 bucks. All right.
Okay.
That is gonna do it. From Universal today. I started so tired. I'm still tired, but did you have fun?
Yeah, I had fun.
We bought some cool stuff too. I got